quick video on synonyms and thesaurus. Sometimes when you've been writing a lot of text, you keep using the same word over and over and over, and you try to look for words that mean the same, but it doesn't make your text so boring. So we're going to try and change a couple of the words in this text by using synonyms, which are words that mean the same, and the thesaurus, which gives you other options for words that mean the same. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the word perform. I'm just going to right click on perform and I'm going to go to synonyms. It's going to bring up some of the synonyms for the word perform, which are do, achieve, make, complete, and accomplish. And I try to go back to my text and see which one makes the most sense. And I'm going to go ahead and use accomplish, because I can say the word screen has many commands or directions to the program to accomplish some function. That sounds just fine. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's look at the word common. I'm going to right click on common, go to synonyms, and it's shared, mutual, joint, public, or communal. Well, none of those really work as well when we're talking about the functions we use all the time. So I'm just going to leave the word common in there. Let's look at appearance. So I'm going to right click on appearance, go for synonyms. It gives me, let me put this down here so you can see it. Synonyms are arrival, entrance, advent, attendance, and present. We're going to go with arrival, of changing the arrival of the document. It really doesn't help the text, but it shows you how to put in a different word using synonyms. If I want to look it up in the thesaurus, and let's say I want to look up the word attributes. So I'm going to go back to synonyms again and look at all the way on the bottom of where the synonyms are. Let me pull this down so you can see attributes, synonyms. Here's the thesaurus. It's a hard word to say. Okay, it opens up over here on the side. Here's our thesaurus. You see that because we've selected the word attributes, it's up here on the top. And these are all different words, whether they're nouns or verbs or whatever kind of word it is. Additional attributes in ours is actually a noun. So we want to look at some sort of words that could be a noun in this instance. And it could be the word features. Features looks like a good word, or characteristics, or qualities. I'm going to go ahead and change attributes to features. But notice when I just click on the word features, what happens is all of a sudden features is the selected word, and it gives me all of the words that I can use to replace that. So I want to go back to attributes. So I'm actually going to have to type it in here again, because I've lost it. Okay, so we're going to look for attributes. Okay, and we decided to use the word features, so I mouse over the word features. I go over here to the right side to the arrow, click the down arrow and choose insert, and it puts the word features into where the word attributes was in my text. So when you want to use the thesaurus, when you find the word you want to use, make sure you click the down arrow and choose insert, because if you just click on it, you're going to be looking up that word in your thesaurus. That is a hard word to say. This is a quick video on synonyms and the thesaurus.